Okay, so I've shown you emulsion printing before, which is also on that YouTube channel, but I don't think I've shown you picture transfer. Now, in the Messages project, picture transfer is something that's going to come in really, really handy. And the reason for that is a lot of you are doing things to do with like people, you are doing things that maybe you're going to take your own photographs for and things like that. So picture transfer is, there's this special paper that you can buy it from places like Wilkinson's and things like that, and it usually has crosses on the back like this. Now you can then print this out. Okay, so this just goes through a normal printer and you can print it out. You need to make sure it prints on the correct side. So I've printed out here one to do with a shell and one to do with a person. Now I've cut these out roughly, but it would just print it on a normal A4 page. If you have any white bits around, you will need to cut those off. So make sure that you are cutting those bits so that it goes sort of flush to the edge. It will show if you leave those white bits on. And then the same with the other one. Now I'm doing two different things so you can sort of see the difference between what you can do with them. So this is kind of a backing. Now that piece of backing, what I tend to do is I make a little tear ever so slightly in the corner, and that will help you peel that backing bit off. Oh, well, it should help you peel that backing bit off. Wait a second. Now, if it's ripped a little bit when you've been taking it off and you don't want that sort of ripped edge effect on it, you can just cut that with a pair of scissors. So you get your fabric. This flimsy piece has obviously got a right side, so you put it picture face up, and then it needs to go into the heat press. So we put it between two pieces of baking paper. That will go underneath like that. And then you should be able to take that out, and you could use that if you wanted to, say, sew on it. You could use it if you wanted to, you can put it through the sewing machine, you could hand sew on it, you could use it as maybe sort of a section of something. Say you wanted to only do like part of an image,